How to check last seen on Instagram if not showing. Now, this is one of the biggest dilemma to see the last seen of somebody that you've been speaking to in the DMs or you've been having a nice chat with, to have an idea if they're still online or if they're not, or if you're being ignored. So to do that, head over to Instagram, head over to your profile, click on this three slide bar buttons. And from here, we're going to head over to activity status. You're going to click on search and you're going to type in show activity status right here. And once you're here, there's this option to show activity status, which is going to allow people who you follow and text with to see when you were last active, or if you're currently active on Instagram apps. And if this is turned on, you won't be able to see it. You won't be able to see other people's activity status or their last seen, and you won't be able to see, and others won't be able to see yours as well. So this is one way you can turn it on. If it's not showing, it's highly likely that this is turned off for you. I usually keep mine on because it's easier that way for me. So there you have it. This is how you can check the last seen on Instagram if it's not being shown.